Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials: a compatible needle and the correct thread. Place the spool on the spool pin and secure it so thread feeds smoothly. Pull the thread to the first guide or tension post. Doing so prevents knots and ensures even delivery. Once the thread sits in the initial guide, follow the path toward the tension discs while keeping light tension with your fingers. Make sure the thread runs free without snagging, because a snag here causes skipped stitches later. Now route the thread between the tension discs and test that it moves with a slight tug. You should hear or feel a soft snap, which signals correct seating. Next, bring the thread up and through the take-up lever's eye. This lever controls thread supply during each stitch, so proper threading here prevents bunching. Continue along the guide line, through any needle bar or throat plate guides, and keep the thread taut but not stretched. Once done, you're ready to approach. Thread the needle from front to back and leave a 3 to 4 inch tail. This length prevents the thread from pulling back through the eye when you start. Hold the upper thread and slowly turn the handwheel toward you to lower, then raise the needle so the bobbin thread can catch. Pull both threads to the back under the presser foot, so a short test seam on scrap fabric. If you see loops, skipped stitches, or puckering, adjust tension and re-thread following the same steps to fix the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.